use this moment to wish you Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. Thank you for all the love shown. Thank you for your concern, your prayer, your wishes. I truly appreciate it, It's not my fault. I connect conference immediately. I promise you I'm gonna be on my feet again very soon, and we're gonna rock 2021 together.
Nigerians pray for Muyiwa Ademola as he posts a picture of himself on hospital bed. Hello my lovely people, you're welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Recently, Muyiwa Ademola took to his Instagram page to post a photo that showed him lying on the hospital bed with a drip line running through his arm with the caption, "Never posted anything like this before, but this is necessary because of the numerous commitments ahead." This prompted concerns among his fans, some of whom took to the comment section to register their worries about his health status. Wurola Ademola's aide said the actor's illness isn't life-threatening, but as a result of stress. She revealed he is on bed rest because that is the only way to get him rest, and is the much reason why he is hospitalized. She also made it known that it is not life-threatening but just the normal stress-related sickness. Wurola also said that Muyiwa Ademola hardly breaks down because he is a workaholic.